Alright, hopefully just a quick video here to go over the peer evaluations that I want you guys to do. I said that with as many groups I kind of wanted to have more regular peer evaluations, and I've tried to make it a little bit easier and customized those. So if you go to your entrepreneurship main page and go to the classroom, go to groups, because you guys are in groups, and I'm going to have to kind of pick on one group, although I won't be showing much of anything different or anything of any concern. But click on your group files, and this should come up. You guys should all have a file in there that's called the quick peer evaluation form. And if you click view in a new window, I think it allows you to open that up quite easily. You get that open. I like to click on enable editing. Okay, your name, so whoever's doing this, I'll just put myself, right? If you click the date, if you can see there's a drop down menu, it brings up the date thing, so you can click on whatever today's date is. I'm going to rate myself good. Choose a member. So again, you got a drop down menu. You can choose the other member that you are rating. Lucas, gosh, I don't want to make anybody mad, but you guys should be a little more honest. So anyhow, you go through and you rate them. It shouldn't take you very long. Save it, and then you should be able to upload that to, if I go to the activity, I should have an assignment or a Dropbox. I still like to call them Dropbox. Here I put in a new one. It's just a peer evaluation. After the financial section, we'll have one that'll show up down here in the marketing when we get a little closer there too. The form will stay the same. We'll have a little more formal peer evaluation form probably at the end of the semester, where you guys can give me a little bit more feedback. But at this point, this is just kind of a check as we go along, make sure that people are participating as we hope they do when we have a group format like this. Thanks.